Hi everyone, welcome to the Sabbs Baking Challenge. Today we're going to be challenging Beth to complete a cupcake challenge. So, Beth, hello, how are you doing today?
Hey, I'm doing great. I'm wondering what I've got
Excellent.
myself in for, but yeah.
So, do you use Pinterest, Beth?
I do. All my creative stuff comes from Pinterest and inspiration. So,
Great, fantastic.
yeah.
Have you ever seen the Pinterest fails meme or the nailed it meme?
I've seen it before, and yeah, I've been like, oh, I'll be the failed every time.
Okay, well today that's what we're going to be doing. So for people who are watching who haven't seen them, the Pinterest fails meme and the nailed it meme are basically memes where people have taken challenging Pinterest baking or crafty things and attempted to do them and epically failed and completely messed them up. So today we're going to be challenging Beth to see if she can not epically fail this Pinterest challenge that we've got for her. So Beth, are you ready to have a look at what it is that we're going to be doing today?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, okay, right. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, right. Take a look.
Oh goodness. Okay. Okay. We can.
Think you can work with that? Maybe?
Yeah. Why not?
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, how challenging do you think this is going to be?
I think we'll get halfway through and I'll be like, yes, this is an easy, easy 2 or 3, not too bad. And then as soon as those decorations go on top, it's going to go right up to a 9 or a 10.
All right, great. Okay, here we go.
So I'm using a pretty basic cupcake recipe. It's one my nan used to use. So it's just 110 of everything and then 2 eggs. So
Oh, I love that. Nice and simple.
yeah, flour, sugar, butter, eggs. Can't really go wrong.
So are you a creative person, Beth?
I'd say so. I mean, I love baking. I'm going to say that now. I probably shouldn't have said that. I love baking. I do a lot of sewing. I'm also a singing person as well. So I've already had my first fail in the morning because the scale wouldn't work. So I kind of get what. So yeah, this is going to go very badly. I just predict.
Gone well so far. You said that you did singing. Were you involved in the show choir, right?
Yeah, that was almost my first involvement in the SU. I was part of Musical Theatre Society and I was also part of show choirs. Yeah, I kind of joined it they had a Disney showcase and I was like, well, I'm a bit of Disney's a bit of me. And it kind of went downhill from then, uphill I suppose, but downhill from there. I just got attached. I became vice president and then president. And then yeah, I loved it. I think that's the thing I loved about being part of a society was it's kind of a family and anyone you speak to in SOCs will say the same thing. It's really strange how people who otherwise would never have met you, the amount of teachers we've got in our fire and the students we engage at Medway, because at the end of the day there's no chance of me as a student in Canterbury knowing student from Medway, and this kind of society network allows that to happen. So we have people from NERSOC or Midwifery Society in the same group as people from Canterbury, and it's really great because it allows people with completely different interests to feel part of not just something with people they know and have similar interests, but also a whole society network, which is it's really fun. And Medway's looking so great this year and I'm really excited to see what stuff's going on there. You've got some fantastic ideas. Really want to get involved up there, and Medway's my area as my remit, but at the same time, the other SAPs really want to get up there and be very present on campus this year, which is really, really exciting. Okay, we have something that resembles a batter.
Exciting.
Batter.
Okay, should we do the drop test? So if you spoon, lift, you have to count to 3, and if it drops at 3, you're good.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. 1,
Go.
2. No, that's pretty good. I'll give you that.
That'll work?
Yeah, definitely. No, you had the majority of it drop to 3. You're fine.
All right. Okay. Hold you to that. When they don't work, you all saw it.
It'll be my fault. What temperature are you going to put your oven at?
I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I can't switch about 180. I feel like that should do the job.
When in doubt, 180. I feel like that's how it goes.
Honestly, my attitude: baking 180, or if you were having some chips or some chicken nuggets, whatever, 220, and then you can't go wrong. Okay, especially when it's a student oven as well. You never know what you're getting from a student oven. Okay, we'll go for 12. I'd like to clarify at this point, I don't have a cupcake tray, so this could be our next fail. They're literally on a baking tray, so we can see
what happens. Dear.
Fail.
Well, this could be interesting.
Well, I thought this would add to the excitement, Also, I have a tray in my car, and that is a long time. I was like, normal tray it is. To be fair, this batter's looking battery. It's good.
Battery, is that a technical term?
I have no clue. What's the worst thing that could go wrong, do you reckon? What if I'm going to go wrong somewhere, what's it going to be?
I mean, considering that you don't have a cupcake tray, we could end up with Teddy at the beach scene on a tray of slightly burned.
Maybe we should have adapted and just had a whole beach. Failing all else, there's a Sainsbury's around the corner that I can thoroughly go and get and you never know.
So tell me where you are.
We have Cupcakes. I mean, obviously they're not good. Oh, that's just showing you how bad it's going to go.
I mean, that bodes well.
Oh, yeah. Okay. It's fine. Like, what's the worst that can happen is we have just a massive pile of cupcakes.
Just to check, you do have a fire alarm, don't you? So how many minutes is this going into the oven for?
You know what? I haven't even looked at the recipe. We're gonna come in. See, I've always done it by like a knife test. So like I put a knife and it comes out clean, jobs are good in.
Yeah.
I think it's about 10, 12 minutes usually for cupcakes. But to be honest, who knows? Okay. I did cheat. I'm not gonna lie to you, and I did cheat a little bit.
What did you do?
Got vanilla frosting. I thought, I'd try not to food poison anyone further than I already probably am and get pre-made.
So I think the first thing that you need to do is make the frosting blue, and then past that, it's really just down to your creativity, really.
Yeah. Okay. Can I take back that comment I made earlier about me being creative? So I'm going to guess we just get the vanilla frosting and then just play with some bit of blue food colouring, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. I reckon slow and steady with food colouring, right? It's got to be.
Definitely.
Right. Go with that. That looks blue. And the thing about food colouring, you put it in, it doesn't look like much, and then all of a sudden it goes, wow.
Yeah.
And then you have regrets. So I'll show you where we're up to. I don't think you can really see. It's quite looking a bit rubbish.
Well, it's sort of greeny, no?
Yeah, we're kind of like a lagoon.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. This is gonna go bad. Oh no. Oh, I've done it now.
There are deep oceans.
To be honest, yeah, we're gonna need a deep ocean here.
Okay.
Okay, right, I've just mixed it in, and it's still not green.
What?
I'm just tempted to put the whole bottle in this point to see what happens.
I mean, how much? How much have you used now?
Half the bottle.
Wow, okay.
Okay, right, I think we're there. These may not be edible, but they'll look good, hopefully.
I asked you to get both jelly babies and biscuit animals because I wanted to give you a choice to have free reign with your creativity.
Oh, thanks. Oh, Anna, I've been well and truly ripped off here.
Oh?
I've got 5 things.
What?
It's rubbish.
Okay, well,
This could work.
I mean,
An egg.
Get creative.
Yeah, that looks a lot more effective in the I mean, that's cute, right? Yeah?
Yeah, I like that.
That sounds unconvincing. Fine. It's good. We're good.
And what about the animals? Do you think you're going to be able to use those?
I think they're cute.
Yeah, love that. A little creepy, not gonna lie, but that's fine.
Oh, these look good. These are really good.
Excellent. Have they collapsed?
No, not yet. Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
Yeah. So we have some digestives.
Yum.
So we have some options here, don't we? Really.
Mm.
We smack them with something hard and hope they crumble.
Yeah.
We crumb them and. No, they're the only 2 options. What do you reckon?
Do you have a rolling pin?
No. But I'll tell you what I do have. I have a masher.
Don't judge that. Okay.
This could work. And I think we need to put them in a bag.
Yes, I would agree.
Maybe 2 bags. Yeah, I reckon so. So we don't have to go too crushed though, do we? Because we actually still want it to look a bit grainy.
Yeah.
So this is what we're looking for. To really clarify.
I love the potato masher. It's a great choice.
It's either a potato masher or it's a spatula that's just been ruined.
I was just thinking, it looks like a fish slice that's just seen better days.
Yeah. You got clean like this though. I just want to clarify that. Oh my goodness. Might lose my deposit for my house at this rate, I'm not gonna lie. Can you please explain to me why the work surface is smashed and has imprints of like spatula?
Housemate's looking on an alarm from the door there.
Yeah, they're pointing at something. Chopping board. Chopping board. There we go.
Good housemates will always.
Chop. There we go. I think we're actually okay. I'll pull out the first bag and see what you think.
Oh, double bag. Love that. Yeah, that looks great.
To be fair, I'm just reading them now. They're like warm, so they might be alright. Yeah.
Well, I leave it in your capable hands, Beth. What do you think?
You know what? I knew something was going to go wrong today. It's probably going to be at this point. So let's just slap some glue on and play for the best, yeah?
Have a go, yeah. Do you have a plan?
No. I probably have the face like I'm doing this like a professional. I really have no clue what I'm doing. That looks like a cupcake with some glue on it. Do you know what? When I signed up for being a Sabb, I never thought this would be like one of the first things I have to do as a Sabb is like make beach cupcakes. Alright, there's a first one for everything. So let me show you where we're up to with this. We have a
nice.
It's going everywhere.
I mean, it's looking pretty good.
I'm just going to put my little jelly baby man on it. Or could be woman. Or just any person. This is where we're at.
Nice. I like it.
This could have gone a lot worse though, surely. Like I could have burnt the house down, or the cupcakes could have come out like burnt.
I'm still impressed that you managed to make cupcakes without a cupcake tin.
You've been lied to.
I've been lied to.
Doing my last cupcake.
Wow, oh my goodness. And are they swimming in melted icing?
Yeah. Are you ready for this absolute awesomeness?
I'm so ready. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that is incredible. That is, I love the sand.
Yeah.
That's fabulous.
I'm actually thinking of starting my own baking company. I'm thinking about it right now.
I love it. That's great. So, what do you think on a kind of scale of 1 to 10? What would you give yourself?
Oh, a 10, obviously.
A 10.
No, absolutely not. I'd say, to be honest, I think it's A for effort. But if we're going to go compared to the originals, I mean, 3, 4. I think, the sand looks good. The seat's the right colour. I think I had all the tools, but I just think the way it came out was just not perfect.
Okay, so do we think overall then, is this a win or a fail?
Yeah, I reckon a fail. Definitely.
So who are you going to give the cupcakes to? Who's going to get to eat your cupcakes?
Who can I convince to eat them? That's more. I think my housemates might put them down to the office. Don't know if they'll be allowed to eat them, but they can certainly admire them. I think I might bypass her. I think I'm good.
All right, well, thank you so much for joining us today, Beth, and well done. They look delicious, and I'm going to ask everyone watching to please pop onto our stories on Instagram, and you'll be able to vote to see whether Beth's creation today, her teddy bear cupcakes, have been a win or a fail. And thank you very much for joining us. Beth, thank you. We'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.